Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change vehicle controls in PUBG Mobile. To change your vehicle control buttons in PUBG, first of all launch open the PUBG Mobile game on your device and from the home screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the little arrow button right next to inventory. Now from the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, go to Customize Buttons on the right corner and choose the vehicle option from the top. Now select whether you'd like button controls, single joystick or split joysticks for your vehicle. You can also adjust the button position by tapping on Customize and adjust it according to your preference. Once you are done, click on Save at the top and you have successfully changed your controller type for vehicles in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.